Hello everyone, today we're delving into the fundamentals of Android security, especially learning how to change your PIN or password swiftly. This quick tutorial will guide you through the steps with ease, ensuring your device remains both secure and accessible. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Settings application on your Android device. Scroll down until you find the Security and Privacy, or a similar option depending on your device interface. Within the Security and Privacy section, locate the Device Lock, or a similar option. Tap on it to access the settings for your device lock screen. Depending on your preferences, select your desired screen lock type. This could be a PIN, pattern, password, or even facial and fingerprint recognition. If you're changing your PIN or password, you'll be prompted to enter the current one before setting up a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to establish your updated security credentials. Pay attention to notification preferences. Specify whether you want notification to be visible on the lock screen. This step ensures your desired level of privacy and security. Once you've made the necessary adjustment, lock your device to verify the changes. Test the new PIN or password to ensure seamless access. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on changing your PIN or password on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, bye-bye.